The Australian-made Thermon Twin Element Electric Storage Hot Water System is easy to install and is available in a wide range of sizes to suit your needs. These systems work like a giant electric kettle. The tank is filled with water while an internal element heats the water to the right temperature. Inside the tank are two individual elements that can be turned on at different times. When you need capacity, the second element can kick in, heating up the top 50 litres of water during peak times. The Thermon Twins also have the ability to set the elements to different electricity tariffs. This ensures that your system is maximising efficiency during on and off peak times. There's a model for everyone, with sizes ranging from 250, 315 and 400 litres. Thermon storage tanks come with a 10-year tank warranty, including 1 year full parts and labour. These units are perfect for those looking for large capacity hot water or having the ability to adapt to the needs of your household. As always, these units must be installed by a licensed plumber.